You are watching Baby Buys, your one-stop shop for all your baby essentials. Gentle, cool, calming. Those are the things you need when you are looking for a baby powder. After all, the baby needs comfort, a good fragrance, and a powder that takes care of all the skin issues that can arise from sweating, dry skin, prickly heat, and other factors. The skin of a baby being so sensitive, a good powder becomes very essential. So how and where to find one that makes your baby happy? Here is a product that is great for your baby powder needs. Himalaya Baby Powder is the one you need to keep your baby smiling. It is enriched with natural ingredients and is highly effective in combating babies' dry skin problems. It is ideal to deal with dry and itchy skin, dermatitis, excessive sweating, and prickly heat. It effectively reduces excessive sweating and body odor and helps keep your baby cool and comfortable. It is a superior powder infused with the power of herbs and zinc oxide. It is a soft and coarse talc which does not block the skin pores like other talcs. It contains Yashad Bhasma, which is zinc oxide, known to protect and prevent skin from rashes and infections. It also contains olive oil that has a goodness of vitamin E and is known to soften and protect your child's skin while preventing dermatitis and other skin problems like chafing. Vitamin A enriched almond oil fights infections and contributes to significant bone development of your infant. Apart from its soothing and antimicrobial properties, it keeps your newborn's delicate and sensitive skin shielded from environmental pollutants that cause irritation. Khaskhas is another natural ingredient that has strong antiperspirant and astringent properties. It is free from parabens, phthalates, and synthetic colors, which are the usual factors for rashes and allergies. So stop worrying, because your baby is in good hands. It's Baby Buys time, the essential viewing for all your baby essentials, and today we are talking about baby bathing and body washes that you should use for your baby. Bath time is precious as much for the mother as for the baby, and this is also a time of caution since subpar quality soaps and body washes may affect the skin of your baby adversely. Also, you should know that the delicate skin of the baby cannot retain as much moisture as adults, and in fact, it loses it 5 times faster than grown-ups. So when it comes to bathing, choosing a product that does it all needs some thought. Actually, you know what? Leave the thinking to us. We have the answer for you. Baby Dove Rich Moisture Hair to Toe Baby Wash is quite unique in the sense it is a full body hair to toe wash that not only goes beyond mildness but also helps replenish the essential moisture and nutrients of the skin that the baby loses during the bathing process. Yes, it comes with 100% skin natural nutrients for effective baby skin care. And you know what? You need to use it to see it in its full effect. But the lather produced by this wash is so rich and creamy, you will have no doubt whatsoever that this will leave your baby's skin so much more smoother. Also, the moisture part is taken care of due to the moisture lock. Let your baby play freely after the bath and it will stay hydrated and moisturized for much more longer. For greater effect, you can always combine the Baby Dove Rich Moisture Hair to Toe Baby Wash with the post-bath Baby Dove Lotion. But you know what? Trust us, you won't need it. And before you ask, yes, it is completely tear-free, so relax. It contains 0 allergens and has been approved by pediatrics, dermatologists and ophthalmologists. So you can feel safe about the baby wash and know that your baby's skin is in good hands. You can focus on giving your baby that extra special care it deserves. Oh, and did we mention it smells great? Well, it does. And that's the cherry on the cake. With Baby Buys, buy all that you need and know more about great products that your baby truly deserves. Baby skin is very sensitive and is prone to issues that can arise from sweating and dampness, such as dry skin, prickly heat, rashes, etc. In such cases, a good powder becomes very essential so that the baby's skin remains smooth, soft, and smells good as well. So how and where to find that one product that makes your baby happy? We have just the product for you. Johnson's Baby Powder is specially designed with millions of tiny round slippery plates that glide over each other to help reduce the irritation caused by friction, thus providing soothing comfort to your baby. Johnson's Baby Powder is designed to protect baby's skin from excess moisture and leave it soft and smooth. It contains only USP grade talc, which meets the highest quality, purity and compliance standards. With a clean classic scent, this incredibly soft baby powder formula awakens and stimulates your baby's senses, making your baby feel fresh and letting your baby play happily with everyone. This comes with triple baby protection. It keeps babies feeling fresh and playful. It is 100% clinically proven mild and gentle. It is allergy tested and dermatologically tested. Every Johnson's product passes a 5-level safety assurance process. So say hello to smooth baby skin. With Baby Bites, we have all your baby essentials needs covered right here. So hop on and get to know which products are great for your baby. A newborn baby's skin is very sensitive and it also needs to be moisturized on a regular basis. What kind of creams and lotions you put on the baby's skin are very important, because if you get it wrong, it could lead to rashes, dry skin or inflammations. And you wouldn't want that for your precious baby, right? We have something that will help you keep your baby's skin super smooth. Johnson's Baby Lotion with intensive 24-hour moisture prevents moisture loss and protects baby's skin barrier. Johnson's Baby Lotion slows down moisture loss by hydrating skin, locking in moisture and creating a protective barrier to keep moisture in and dryness out. It has no added parabens, phthalates or dyes. This clinically proven long-lasting formula continuously protects baby's skin for up to 24 hours, keeping it feeling healthy and baby soft. This is clinically mildness proven and made with natural plant oil. It is pH balanced and hypoallergenic and recommended by doctors. So go on and give your baby's skin a treat. With Baby Bites, lay all your worries to rest and look for all the baby essentials you need right here. Baby oil is such an important ingredient for a growing baby. Along with keeping the skin of the baby soft and smooth, it also nourishes the skin and keeps the baby healthy by replenishing all the nutrients that may get lost during births. So the question now is, which is a great baby oil for your baby? We have a product that will suit your baby just great. Johnson's Baby Oil with vitamin E will definitely do wonders for your baby's skin. It is a non-sticky, mild perfume oil. It contains vitamin E, which ensures the necessary nourishment the baby's skin needs. Its gentle formula nourishes the skin, making it smooth and soft. Its delicate floral fragrance is clinically proven mild and keeps baby smelling fresh and fragrant much more longer than the other oils. This ensures no irritation to baby's delicate skin. It is 100% clinically proven mild and gentle and is allergy tested plus dermatologically tested as well. To add a layer to your safety worries, every Johnson's product passes a 5-level safety assurance process, and so does Johnson's Baby Oil. So you don't have anything to worry about, and neither does your baby's skin.